As the biggest review platform online, Google can be a great place to find convincing testimonials and reviews for your brand. But manually embedding Google reviews can be tough, especially if you're not used to dealing with lots of code. That's why in this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to embed Google reviews on your WordPress website. To embed our Google reviews, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed plugin. This plugin allows us to embed our Google reviews in just a few easy steps. To get started, on your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Then on the right-hand side, search for Reviews Feed, like this. And the one we want is this one here, Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. And there we go, Reviews Feed has now been installed and activated, so we can begin creating our first Google Reviews Feed. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Hover over it like this and click on All Feeds. To get started, go and click on Add New. And for our first step, we'll have to add a source for our reviews feed. Go and click on Add Source. With the Reviews Feed plugin, you can embed reviews from Google and Yelp. But with the Pro version of the plugin, you can also embed reviews from Facebook and TripAdvisor as well. For this video, since we're embedding our Google reviews, go and click on Google and then click on Next. And now we'll have to enter our Google API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or you can follow a written tutorial in the description of this video. Once you have your Google API key, you can paste it here like this and click on Next. Now we'll have to enter our Google Place ID. You can click on this link here, and that will take you to Google's dedicated page for Place IDs. And if you scroll down below, you have this tool here where you can type in any location and it will give you its place ID. For this tutorial, I'm just going to type in Angelina Bakery in New York City, this one here, so I'm going to select it. And there it is, and we have our place ID right here too. Copy it like this, and back inside the plugin, go ahead and paste it here, just like that. And then click on Finish. As you can see, the source has been added successfully, so we can now select it like this, and click on Next. And for our final step, it's showing us different templates that we can select for our reviews feed. But with the free version of the plugin, we only have access to the default one. That's already selected for us here, so we can go and click on Next. And straight away, we have a live preview of our brand new Google Reviews feed. All the latest reviews for Angelina Bakery in New York City are displayed in this feed. We can now go and embed this on our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize it. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Layout. Here you can modify the layout of your Google Reviews feed. Currently, you can see that we have the list layout selected, which displays all of your reviews in a single column list like this. Next, we have the masonry layout, which displays all of your Google reviews in rows and columns like this. And lastly, if you have the Pro version of the plugin, you can also go with the carousel layout too. Continuing with the list layout, if you look below, you can also specify how many reviews you want to display on your feed. Currently, it's set to 3 reviews, but if you want to change it, you can highlight it like this and change it to any number you want. And instantly, that change will be reflected inside the live preview on the right-hand side. I'm going to change that back to 3. And if you make any changes to the layout of your Google Reviews feed, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header area of your reviews feed, go and click on Header. At the top, you can choose to enable or disable header by toggling it on and off like this. And just below that, you can also choose to disable or enable the heading and the Write a Review button on the right-hand side. To change this, all you have to do is select or deselect it like this, and in doing so, it will hide or show that feature on your header. Once again, if you make any changes, go and click on Save on the top right corner. And now that we know how to customize our reviews feed, let's go and embed it onto our WordPress webpage. To do this, go and click on Embed on the top right corner, copy the dedicated shortcode, and then click on Add to a page. Then select the page you want to add your feed to, like this, and click on Add. Now on our web page, we have 2 different options to embed our reviews feed. We can use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode we copied, like this, or we can use our dedicated reviews feed block like this. With this option, you'll see a live preview of your new reviews feed directly inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live webpage. And here we are on a live webpage, and right in the middle, you can see that reviews feed that we just created for Angelina Bakery. So you now know how to embed a Google Reviews feed on your WordPress website. And this is all with the free version of Reviews Feed Pro. With the Pro version of the plugin, you have the ability to embed reviews from Facebook, Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor. When creating your feed, you have options to choose from professionally designed templates, giving you access to beautiful and interactive layouts such as the carousel, where users can swipe through your reviews like this. With Reviews Feed Pro, you can see the user profile photos on the reviews, and you can even customize the layout of each individual review as well. But that's not all. You can even moderate and filter the reviews you display, giving you complete control over your reviews feed. If you want to check out Reviews Feed Pro, you can visit smashballoon.com. And if you want to try out the free version of the Reviews Feed plugin, you can find it in the WordPress repository. If you run into any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.